Hello everyone, here we are going to take some of the cloth and you just have to fold it, and after that with the help of the sewing machine you just have to open it from one side. After that you just have to make some of the creases, like here you can see we have created two mini bows. Now another sheet of the cloth is taken and you just have to place them one after the another in the line as apparent here. With the help of the sewing machine you just have to stitch all it from both the ends. Once you're done with it you just take some another sheet of the cloth that you have already made some creases, and now you just have to fix it with the previous one. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and you will follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. While you are just stitching these cloths, be careful you don't hurt your hands by just pricking with the needles. This is done and it looks so cute. Let's move further towards our another activity. You may require an old cotton trousers and you just have to trim it at the center and also from both the ends. Once these pieces are ready, now it's time to make some of the creases roughly with the help of your hands like we are doing here. You just have to repeat the same process, and after that you just have to iron it so that the crease lines are clear and you can easily just swing it properly. Once you're done with this, you just have to fix all these parts together and you can see this cute little skirt is ready. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are taking some of the floral cloth and you can see how we have trimmed it already. With the help of this rubber band you just have to fold it and you just have to make some of the stitchings from the ends. Just pause the video and follow the step properly in a sequential manner. You can just see how we are stitching it clearly so that its stitching will come out to be more clear and it will look more good and more apparent. Here we have created a cute little floral rubber band out of it. You can definitely go for this one. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one you may require a chain. Like here we are taking this chain and we are marking the two ends actually that are to be stitched, because rest of the chain is kept to be open. After that you just have to swing it. You just have to sew it properly like here we have done. Now it's time to turn it over from the second side and you just have to sew it. The lines actually you have to give it an outline and it gives a strong and everlasting stitch. This is so good and so nice. Definitely try this one. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are taking this piece of the cloth and with the help of the scissors we are bending it at the center and it's automatically creating some of the creases that are helpful, and side by side we are simultaneously stitching it. This looks so cute and so easy. Now you have to stitch it properly like here we are doing it. It's very less time consuming activity and it's very good also. Let's move further. Take these different colorful cloth pieces that you have trimmed already according to the different shapes. After that, stitch them properly like here we have done. It looks so good and so nice. Now you just have to take the each strip that you have sewed. You just have to place them over the another sheet of the cloth from the base that will act as a base. Like here we have taken this gray cloth and over this we are stitching it one after the another. You can see how we are placing these laces that are the satin one at the center, blacker one. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.